It's not ready, under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroid.
Hi, welcome to today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Now today I'll be going for a paint and sips event. It's at Moov Bistro and Cafe. It's basically I think it's a setup where you get to paint. I've been wanting to go for an event or like this, or an event similar to this one for a while, so at least I get the chance to do so today.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh.
Okay, so I've reached Moov Cafe, and my first impression of the place is that it's really cute. I like the ambience. It's a serene place, and it's connected to a car wash. Next, I like the aesthetic. It has this kind of rustic feel. I'll show a brief tour of what the place looks like, so that at least you're able to see for yourself.
Take it away, feeling too good to me.
Right now, I think I'll just order my food because it's 4 p.m.
I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move.
Let me take you through my order really quickly. So I got the Moov Burger 1.0 that went for 1,200 Kenyan shillings. So it's described as 100% Kenyan beef, Nyeri blue veined cheddar cheese burger that's served with fries and a side salad. Now I definitely recommend. A strong 8 out of 10. Everything was so fresh. It's a good one.
Just say you want me to. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do.
So I'll wind up this part by telling you guys my basic review of Moov. So the restaurant has a really great owner. He's very hands-on and asks for feedback from his customers. I think you'll get the chance to meet him once you go there. Now the service is good. The waiters, as far as I'm concerned, I had a good experience with them. They're very light on their feet and responsive whenever you have anything that you want. They have amazing fresh food, which is definitely the highlight of my visit to the cafe. Very fresh, very tasty. It was amazing. Also nice drinks. I ordered a pineapple and mint juice, which was obviously non-alcoholic. That went for 300. They also have a wide variety of alcoholic drinks, so if you're into those kinds of drinks, feel free to order from them. And of course, the aesthetic was amazing. Okay, so this part of the video was filmed like this hair getting in my face. So this part of the vlog was filmed earlier on in the day. So that's why I'm still in the same outfit, for those of you who may be wondering. So I bought a couple of things from Lenny Venture. Okay, I'll just show you later on. And I thought it would be nice if I did a review of the products that I got. I think it was one of my best purchases. Like in what I bought, I'd say it was one of my favorite things. So inside the box, it comes with a free pouch. It comes with a free pouch. I really liked this. This was a good idea. An extra, I'm not sure what this is. It's an adjustable cord, I guess, for when the other one gets broken. And it also has two mics, not mics, like the two foams that are at the top here. I feel like that car sound is just reflecting. And it also comes with this strap that you can at least use to adjust your things. It's compatible with iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, Android, Windows, and smartphones. Yes, I rate this an 8. I really like this lapel. I feel like it's quite convenient, and the cable is just long enough. Okay, so the tripod that I bought came with a free mini tripod holder. Basically a free mini tripod. It looks like this. It's just something normal, and then it comes with its own, just get it, it comes with its own holder. Now the thing about this mini tripod is literally the first day that it came, one of the stands, like the leg stands, literally came off. I didn't even manhandle it. It just, I feel like it's cheaply made. I guess that's why it's free. I tried fixing it with super glue. I'm trying to focus, but the camera isn't focusing. I tried to fix it with super glue, but as you can see, it didn't work. So just take note of that. So I've changed like my sitting place because I kind of want to show you how to set up a tripod for those of you who maybe you've never done it before, but it's not something difficult. So the packaging is very simple, very practical. It's just factory packaging. It's nothing to write home about. Now I'll put the link to the exact tripod just in case you want the same one in the description box. Sorry if I'm moving around so much, but yeah, let's just remove it. So the first thing you do is you take this knob, the first one or this one, but I'd rather start with this one because this is the support of the tripod. You adjust it here so that you loosen it. Now we're going to adjust it to the height that you want. So so you just take it, use the other knob, this one, the second one. I think most of them just have the same build. I think it's 2 meters. Of course, it's not reflecting from this angle, but let me see. I can. There we go. You see, it's pretty. So I think it's 2 meters, basically 2 meters. And then one thing I noticed, make sure you're careful with the parts of the tripod, the screws. So you can see for this one, because they easily come off. So for this one, the bolt, I think this one is the bolt. So the thing that adjusts it had come off. We are at the second phase where you put these things. So for my tripod, it was a snapback, so it's supposed to fit your gadget here, then you adjust it. There's this thing on the tripod that you just adjust. All of them, it's a pretty simple process, because once it's like that, I feel like it's already simple. Just this is where you just put your phone horizontally. You could put your phone horizontally like this because it's supposed to fit here, and then you readjust it as you want from the top. Normally I just use my 2 fingers and pull it back, but if you want a different angle, all you do is we take it out and we use this ball. Whoops. We use this ball holder, this one. You put it on this particular side, then you fix it. You can fix this part back. So you can use this ball holder we just get a to basically get a vertical view. So we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. Feel free to share the video with all of your friends if you feel like it can be assistance. It can be of assistance to them. Give the video a like if you enjoyed watching it. Of course, feel free to ask any questions that you may have down in the comment section below, or any compliments or anything that you might have enjoyed about the video. And also feel free to subscribe so you can get notified whenever I upload new videos. And feel free to put the notification, also put the notification bell also that on, so that you're alerted whenever I post new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.